Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is good to have you. Today we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to unbox a new 143 scale Tarmac Works Hobby 43 Audi 8 RMS GT3 EVO 2. What a mouthful. And guys, these cars are a lot of fun. You know, Tarmac Works, they don't make a whole lot of cars in 143 scale. They're basically, I think they're IXO's arm of the 164 scale. And they do really good cars. In fact, I have this car in 164 scale. I reviewed it about a year ago. I just got the opportunity to get this one. I was so excited because I really like the car. It's unique. It's, you know, and Tarmac Works makes everything they do look really, really cool. You open this up, and let me see. I'm not sure exactly how it opens. Oops, I got to flip it over this way. Whoops, nope, flip it over that way. There we go. Open it up, and the box opens up like so. It's just massively huge. Small size, big heart. Got cool pictures of the car in there. Then you have the car itself in this pink, blue, yellow. You know, it's got all the pastel colors that the car have in the box itself. That's what it looks like. Closed and opened up. Anyhow, so let's take a look at this cool car. Now guys, once you unbox this, you get a lot of cool things. You get this neat little certification card. Tells you that you've got car number 1,531 out of essentially 10,000 of these things made. You also get this cool booklet that tells you a lot about the car itself. It's all full of pictures. 164 scale came with the exact same booklet. In fact, they're almost the exact same size. And then, of course, once you untape, you see the tape there on this, the ends of it, you can open up this and take a look at the car. Well, that was a nightmare to get out of the box, but once you did, this is the car that you have. Now, as I mentioned, this is a 143 scale Tarmac Works Hobby Audi R8 from Uno Racing and driven by Adderley Fong in the 2023 FIA GT World Cup. This really cool car from Uno Racing, a team that was established back in 2021 based on the Zhuhai International Circuit in China. The team's mission is to develop diverse team members that stand out in Asia and make a positive contribution to Chinese motorsports. Now, Adderley Fong is one of many Chinese drivers on the team. He drove the first Hello Kitty R8 in 2022 and returns with this 2023 50th anniversary Audi R8. And if you remember my video from the previous car, it was red, green, blue. It had a Hello Kitty themed livery, but the colors were much brighter. They were darker. This is much more subtle. I think it's, you know, and some of you guys are going to hate this, it's more feminine looking, honestly. And well, let's face it, Hello Kitty is a female thing. Now, the success of the 2022 Hello Kitty Audi R8 led to the 2023 50th anniversary celebrations. And the Tarmac Works creative team evolved with the livery to design an all-new level by using vivid colors along with popular Hello Kitty graphics, making it one of the brightest highlights of the 2023 Macau Grand Prix. Now, the Audi R8 features a 5.2-liter V10 engine and a 6-speed sequential rear-wheel drive transmission. Adderley Fong is a Canadian Hong Kong FIA Silver-rated driver. He would qualify P16 in race 1, of which he would wreck, and would finish as a DNF. And because the car was destroyed so badly in race 1, it was not able to start in race 2. So, guys, that's it for the glorious history of this car. Now, this car is a really fantastic representation. One thing I like about Tarmac Works cars are the fact that they come with really cool bases that are usually colored and themed to go with the car. In fact, the 164 scale version of this car looks much better than the 143 as far as the base. However, I do like this. The car itself is absolutely gorgeous. Let me zoom in here and get it in focus there for you. And take a look at it. I mean, it's just very, very nicely done. It basically looks like an IXO 143 scale car. Is it Spark quality? No, it's more IXO, and I think Tarmac Works is a division of IXO, so that would certainly make sense. But nevertheless, it's a really good looking car. Now, the front of the car is blue. It features pink and yellow on this side with white going towards the rear. And if you take a look at the B panel, there you're going to see IXO. What a surprise. Tarmac Works on the side. See Adderley Fong's name, number 50. The wheels look really nice. They're very, very well done with the Goodyear tires. A neat looking car. Here's a cool look at the rear of the car, looking forward. And the Audi R8 has that unique, massively huge wing. I've got to admit, take a look close at this. And this is an IXO thing again. And Tarmac Works, remember, they're an IXO company. Look how lopsided the strut on the right side of the car is, composed to the left. I'm afraid to move it. I mean, if I do, I'm liable to break it. But as cool as the car is, it's just an IXO. And I really like these cars. Tarmac Works doesn't make many of them. Therefore, I tend to scoop them up when they do. But you can see that wing is just terribly lopsided. Again, it is a quality control issue that seems to plague everything IXO. With Tarmac Works being an IXO company, it's no surprise. One thing I love about the Audi R8s, and I've got plenty of them, are the fact that you have the really cool engine detail. You've got that clear window in the back so you can see the engine. Just one simple aerial on the top of the car. That's it. Yeah, I just jinked with that rear wing, and if I touch it, I'm going to break the darn thing. So it is what it is. Now this side, again, has white in the rear. You've got blue, pink, and yellow going up front. Again, you see Adderley Fong on it. And guys, there's a helicopter look at the car, and you can get a full idea of what the livery really looks like from this angle. Quite different, quite impressive. Just a shame that rear wing. It just illustrates the problems that you have with IXO and IXO company cars. You know, quality control is it's piss poor. Well, folks, I know this was a long one. There was a lot to show you because unboxing a Tarmac Works car is always quite neat. It's always a lot of fun. There's always so much cool stuff you have with it. Guys, it's a really good-looking car. It's really nicely done. It's a shame that you have the problems that you have with these cars, as you can see with the rear wing. Very disappointing. Anyhow, I know this has been a long video, but again, this was kind of like an unboxing thing, and they tend to take a little bit longer. But I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to get this car, guys, believe me, I have the 1/64 scale version of the car. It's really good. It's nicely done. I also have the 2022 Hello Kitty car as well, and it was much better. Guys, and there's the 2022 version. I had reviewed this one previously. It did not have the problems this one has with the rear wing. Everything on it was just really nicely done, just about perfect.